So here we are back on day 3. If we have a look at the tablet, we've got some emails. Wow, we've got 3 new emails here to have a look at. So, paint it red. Much appreciation for the new case. It was exactly what I asked for. Unfortunately, it was also so perfectly matched to the red I had used to paint the walls that I tripped over it and landed on my nose. My next project will be about the interface between technology and pain. I'm really feeling this one. Peace, Casante. Ooh, Giobin's back. Calamity. Hello, thanks so much for assisting with my virus problem. The computer did indeed seem to run more smoothly after your ministrations. However, I now found myself in the teeth of another difficulty. I have no idea what an SSD is. I wrongly assumed it would be a rather delicate medical issue, but a computer literate friend assures me that mine is broken and needs to be replaced. He has kindly allowed me the use of his laptop to send this missive, but I'm leery of trying his patience too far. Could you see your way to clear to replacing the relevant part for me as soon as possible? Best wishes, Giobin. So he's got $130 budget for parts, $170 labour, replace SSD, let's accept. So that'll arrive tomorrow, it's in transit. Big J Party Man at ravenationforever.uk. Sounds cool. What's up, mate? You good? I bought this PC for playing music at my house parties. Proper cool. We call him DJ Computer. DJ Computer in the house. Whoop, whoop. Can you paint the outside of the case green so it contrasts with the sick red lights inside? But don't spray the glass because I want to see the bling. Cheers, Jay. So give us $20 for paint, $120 for it. Let's accept that. So that'll be here for us tomorrow. Broken Cooler is the one that we've got for today, which I think should be now sitting for us right here. So let's go. Fix for DeSurfson 96. So remember, right click to pick up. And let's take this through. We can fit through the door to here because we ordered the cooler for it yesterday. We do need to refit the bench because it's all for spraying. We need to be in build mode. Left click to put it down and let's get working on this. So, missing parts. You are missing the following parts for this job. A Mortoni Thermal 100. Oh, we have to collect it. I was like, I'm sure we ordered that. Don't forget to collect it. Here we go. What's all this? A Mortoni Thermal 100. Just what we need. Okay, 3 boxes for it. I can see the channel in the Amazon there. Massive boxes for tiny cooler. So, if we left click on this now. Replacing components. You have the new component, so now you just need to exchange it with the old one. This job will introduce thermal paste. And we know from PC Building Simulator 1, for getting the thermal paste, not only does it get you an achievement, but it blows up the computer. To begin, let's left click. So we're going to continue. We're going to need to remove the panel so we can get to it. The screws are here, so we left click and hold on the screws to get those out. And another one. And the final one. And it's off. Now we need to remove the cable. Let's do a bit of zoomage. And go up. Remove the cable. This one. Remove the air cooler now. Removed. Oh, we need to select the CPU to begin the cleaning process. Because we need to left click and hold to get rid of all this. The cleaning process for this versus the GPU is actually much better because it's much closer so you can see what you're doing, which is good. You can see it's an AMD Ryzen. Very good. We are big fans of the Ryzen. Getting rid of all that excess thermal paste. We just got a bit of tidying up to do. This is easily possibly the most tedious job in the game, but also the most strangely satisfying. It's nothing like looking at a shiny CPU. Definitely have a mouse for this rather than a trackpad. And that is looking pretty cool. Pretty clean. But they're not agreeing at the moment. Let's give it one final... Where is this extra paste? I'm not seeing it. I can't tell what's maybe dirty screen on my part or dirty CPU on their part. Surely. Ah, there we go. Left click to finish cleaning, which we'll do. Install. We need some thermal paste before we put it on. Forget the thermal paste and the computer blows up. Tools and software is where we're going to go. Thermal paste to aid cooling. And we're going to put a blodge right in the centre here. So hold left click to apply thermal paste. If you need thermal paste, try putting a pea-sized dot in the centre. Not enough thermal paste, so we'll go for a bit more. Sufficient paste applied, fab, because it'll squish down when we put the new fan back on. Install. CPU cooling this time, not the broken one. Thankfully, it's highlighting the one that's fixed to us. We're doing a like-for-like replacement. Installing the air cooler. Rotating. Some components can be rotated when installing. Hold left click to adjust the cooler's rotation. Ah, there we go. Looks good. Select the cable so we can plug it back in so it actually does its job. Connector cable is there. And we've got it. Now where are we going? Over here. And we're gonna so we've replaced the air cooler. Now what do we need to do in here? Removed components. Ah, side panel, of course. We need to put the side panel back on. I was thinking we'd done it. But we need to put the panel back on. Zoom out so we can put the screws back in. And again. And again. And I guess we're going to have to manually put the cables in. I remember in PC Building Simulator 1 you could kind of auto put them in, but I think that was a power-up you had to buy. Congratulations, well done for successfully replacing the air cooler and applying thermal paste. Power up the PC and ensure it works before taking it to the delivery area. Okay. If I try and cheat it and just press power, will it plug everything in for me? No. Nice try. So we're going to rotate the camera, but not so much we can't see the cables. Grab the power. Oh, we don't want to remove it. We need to select cable first, which is number 3. Plug in the USBs. Plug in this USB. Getting better at this the more practice, and plug in the graphics card. We're all plugged in. We've now got a tick on ready to boot, so we're going to click on the computer, press P. DFL. No relation to DFS. Omega System on PC Building Simulator 2. Get your body moving. Right, so PC boot. So I think that's us done. Place it in the work area. So right click, then oh no, exit the workbench area, and then right click on it to pick it up. Fantastic. We're going to go back. And we're going to place it in the delivery area. It's all packaged up now. And we're going to use our nifty new tablet to go to our email. this was the original email, broken cooler, so we're now going to collect on it. We've replaced it. It can boot 170 labour, $50 parts. We spent $10, so total 220, but profit of 210, so we only spent $10 on it. So we've got 1,245 now. Fab. Okay. Bits and PCs, new parts available. We can now get a Ryzen 3 quad-core 1300X. Yeah. And if we put the tablet away a second, nothing in the loading area. We've got no more PCs to fix today. So if we check on our email, are there any parts we need to order for tomorrow? So we've got painting the PC. We've got that. Fix SSD. Replace the SSD. So we need to go on the PC stats. We've got $130 budget. Let's do like for like, eh? So a Shein Mega 120 gigabytes. So Shein 120 gigabytes, sorry. Shein Mega 120 gigabytes. So if we go on the shop and we go down to storage, we want to do a Shein. So Shein Mega 120 gigabytes will cost us $80. Got $130 budget, so replacing like for like, but we've got a bit of extra profit there. So we're gonna add to basket and assign to the job, which is this one that's coming in. Replace SSD. Confirm. Fab. Oh, check out now. We're going to do next day delivery because we only need it tomorrow for free. $80. Buy now. Thanks for your order from Bits and PCs. What a great name. Breakdown of your orders displayed on the right. Shein Mega 120 gigabytes. Fab. So, I think that's it for us today. So day 3 all sorted. We're going to paint a case on day 4 and we are going to replace an SSD. So that's it for day 3 on PC Builder. We're going to head towards the exit to call it a day. Or maybe we should check the calendar first. Just check we've not forgot anything. Calendar. So we've had our delivery today, we've installed that, we've got a fix coming in and the replacement part, we've got customization and we've got rent to pay this week. We're all done for the day. So we can go to the exit of our coolly styled workshop, left click. Oh, well when we left click it comes up with the calendar anyway, so no need to manually check it necessarily, although you manually check it and you've forgotten something, you're right there to do it rather than having to walk back in. Small thing, but delivery tomorrow. So let's end the day today. A fantastic day 3. We've made some more money. Fantastic. We'll see you on day 4. End day. Mysterious loading sound. Fantastic. Take it easy. Don't forget to like the video and hit subscribe for more PC Builder Simulator 2 beta videos.